In this video, we're going to talk about quick money-saving repairs you can do at home on your 05 to 15 Xterra. What? Wiper blades? Yeah, they can be difficult, all depends, and every brand is different. If it's a factory blade, well, you know, that's pretty standard and easy. This particular one, it's aftermarket already, so there's always going to be a tab because this is what they call the hook wiper arm. So it just goes right in like this. This one, it is pull on the tab instead of push on the tab. Always put the arm down, even if you're now taking the other wiper blade out of the package. Put it down because you would not want to be there when that snaps from the spring load and puts a nice half moon on your windshield. Very easy, and the directions are always on packages of wiper blades. No need to pay someone to do that. One of my favorites is cabin air filters. I know that some of these places when you drive in and get your oil, they like to charge big dollars for putting in a $14 to $20 cabin air filter. It's not that hard, and we have thousands of videos in our library showing you on all different makes and models. This particular Xterra, you're gonna drop the glove box down. There's two tabs right here, and plus it just pulls right out. On this particular one, you're just gonna lift up on it, bend right here, this tab. You can let it just hang down, or you can take that string off. That's the self-closing string. And if you look right in here, the cover's missing on this one, but the cover's very self-explanatory, no tools needed. Usually just pop it out, and you can reach right in here. There's two filters in this particular one. So there'd be a door here, but you just plate that plastic door off. Pull that filter right out. And you can see that is not fun. You don't want to breathe that in. And there's another one in there. Pick these up, put them in yourself, reverse the procedure, and you're all done. Engine air filter, easy peasy on this Xterra. Two plastic, or what shall I say, two metal tags right here on the plastic air box. I'll pull one up, pull one down. Little ears, just give it a lift up, and there's your filter. Buy the filter, put it in yourself. You probably save about 40 bucks. That's a good night out to eat. Hey, battery replacement. Another one, nice, just like an old style vehicle, the battery is under the hood. Nowadays, you can't ever tell. You could be under a seat, you could be in a trunk, but this one's nice and easy, right under the hood. All you need is a 10 millimeter, and you can do this whole job. 10 millimeter wrench or socket. This one has an aftermarket terminal on it, that's a 1/2 inch. But, you know, have some fun. Don't forget, negative first, off, and negative on last. Headlight bulbs. Some of them are really difficult. Even my small hands and arms, I have to weasel in there, but not on this Xterra. Everything's out in the open. Right here by the battery, you can see the main bulb. Undo the tab, twist and pull, and even the taillights. Yep, very easy access on this Xterra. 10 millimeter socket, undo these two bolts. There's two plastic tabs in there. Grab firm, pull, and you'll have access to all three bulbs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, save your money. Do it yourself. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and ring that bell because that turns on all your notifications so you won't miss any of our videos in our beautiful library.